Welcome to The Black Truth, episode 11. I am the messenger of the G-Roll Africa. The problems and troubles in our country are obviously mind-blowing and exhausting. No thanks to the political class and our government. How do we get along with these problems? A lot of times, we try to cope with the problems rather than trying to solve them, at least the ones within our control. There are many coping mechanisms that help us absorb the problems and make us feel good just for the moment. Mechanisms like absorbing yourself as not being part of the problem, complaining, abusing, insulting, cursing, blaming others, and even praying without act, and so on. These attitudes stimulate the feel-good hormones in us, the dopamine, the oxytocin, and the rest, and we absorb the problems at the moment. But sadly, the problems are still there. Your attitude hasn't changed, so I call them short-fused mechanisms. But do you imagine a situation in which, even in the midst of problems, people's attitudes around you still give you hope? Hope that good and caring people still exists. You find people who still put smiles on your face and make you feel good, feel like it is not over yet. Even though the government is a bunch of insensitive citizens, we still have people who care for you out there. They still show you love in the little capacity they could, and you can do same for others. That is actually how to solve problems for each other in our little ways. Compare your feelings and hope when you have an encounter with a nice, kind person in your daily life or kind people in daily life. Compare it with relating to the other short coping mechanisms with no solutions that I mentioned earlier. With the short fuse mechanisms, you feel good at the moment, but worse when you remember the problems. We can only solve the problems in our little ways by being kind to each other, giving each other hope that tomorrow will be better, that we still have potential kind leaders out there. Be the source of light and helping lighten others up. Be the kind of leader you wish for others. Welcome to The Black Truth.